Hello everyone. Today to cut 1 is changed cut. The owner of this secret feels that the stop step is a bit leaky, so think about it. Can see this court cloth cut. More full is a bit too full, so it will leak bottom. Can see this picture here. It is to open a large window. Fortunately, you can also see in the video that yes, his face is still cut into a good part of the court. If this is the case, it will leak the bottom. Cut it so that he will not leak the bottom. As you can see in this picture, if he stops with a moderate degree, he can do a full flip, and then before he stops, he will leak the bottom. That is, the light shines in from the card, and then he cannot reflect back through the upright part. It doesn't work if it's too deep, it doesn't work if it's too forward, it just has to be done in the middle. What is showing bottom? The moment to the right is the exposure of the bottom. And this moment is. I usually hear about opening the window, and this one is full of competition. This kind of cut route is more popular with everyone, it will not expose the bottom, and this one is also very good. After saying that, what is the missing bottom? Let's change it next. First, connect the gem to this issue, just change the stop step. This stop, because it is an arc, so his light cannot be retained either. So change it to a stronger chord like a pyramid so that it doesn't look like that. I touched the first layer now. Now fold the face above. Well, this is the second floor, you can see it going up one level at a time. Where is the degree? It won't be too different. If the difference is too much, he will still miss the bottom. Just touch every face. Good to see that this court has been ground in total, is made 4 layers. Now replace the molding plate with a polishing plate. The first layer. You can see that the first layer has been polished. This L is better than the color, just the mirror is not very good, but he will generally have some inclusions in it. The pursuit of clean rupees to come, will also be very expensive. The future is that people who like its color will go for it. It has now run to the last level. It's going to be thrown right away, this shit. Now throwing the last layer. Well, you can see that this court has been thrown. Put it now. Then turn the chain glue and remove the stone from above. There is residual year cake on the surface. Give some alcohol. Okay, to see that now he is naked, and then the effect is much better. This is under natural light. That's it for these videos. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.